channel. Today's video is a makeup look that I tried using Bilena products. This is not sponsored. I bought all the products with my own money. Some of them I already reviewed in this channel. So I just thought that I do have a lot of random Bilena makeup that I think that can create an overall look. So if you want to know how I did this look, just keep on watching. Let's begin with the brows. I'm using here EB Advanced Brow Define with paddle brush, and I'm just outlining the outside of my eyebrows and making my way through my brows. You can see here that I'm blending my brows using the paddle brush. That's on the other side. Now let's set the brows with the brow gel. I'm using Careline brow gel in Biscuit, and I find that this is kind of closest to my hair color right now. And since I'm not really good with outlining the brows, I'm using the BB Advanced stick or BB stick to cover up the mess that I made or just erase my errors. Okay, I'm using the same BB stick from EB Advanced to my base. This is going to serve as my foundation as well. I'm just blending this out with a beauty blender from AOA, which is wet by the way. Now I'm setting everything with a loose powder. Here I'm using BB powder by Pond's. I just don't have any setting powder from Bilena. So we're going too fast. So now with the eyeshadow, I'm using the Iconic EB Advanced palette in mixed metals. I'm just using the transition shade, which is the lightest, I believe. Okay, so now with the dark color next to the lightest, that color, just using that under my transition color, just blending along or blending as I go with this elf brush that I have since forever. Now with the shimmery red color, I'm going to use this in the middle of my lids. So ginamit ko na yung fingers ko because the sponge tip applicator is not working. So I also use that underneath the eyes. Now let's go with the mascara. Nope, it's an eyeliner. I'm using the mascara as an eyeliner because I don't have liquid eyeliners from Bilena just yet. Okay, I'm just blending the baking powder or the Pond's BB powder. And meron pala akong powder from Bilena, but this is a pressed powder. Going too fast, oh my god. So I'm using the chocolate palette as my contour because di ko pa nabibili yung contour palette talaga ng Bilena. Medyo harsh lang siya pag ginamit mo siya as contour. So just be cautious with it kasi pang eyeshadow talaga to. Blending is key. I also use that to contour my nose para medyo kunyari mataas ang ating ilong. Ginamit ko lang yung powder para lang i-blend yung nose line. Using this strobe highlight or EB Advanced or EB highlight in strobe. And also I use the mixed metal palette for the blush. Now with the lips, I'm using EB liquid lipstick in Siennas. Yon, I'm setting everything with Lux Organics aloe vera spray. Boom, 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 pack. There you go. This is my full face makeup challenge using Bilena products. Let me know in the comments below if na-justify ko ba? Did I make it work? No, did I make it work? Kasi nahirapan talaga ako to use all Bilena products because wala ako nung contour powder. But other than that, I guess it all worked out okay. Feeling ko naman I can pull off this look. So that is all it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe if you like this types of videos, and also click the thumbs up button if you appreciate me getting back to YouTube. Yan lang. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye!